Am I the only one that didn't know Agile could transform project management? Let's fix that right now. So, what is Agile? It's a project management methodology that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. Imagine steering a ship where every crew member can adapt quickly to changes and still reach the destination on time. First, let's talk about sprints are short, time-boxed periods where a team works to complete a set amount of work. Think of it as running a mini-marathon every 2-4 weeks. Next up we have, it's a framework within Agile that helps teams work together. Picture a rugby scrum where players come together to move the ball forward. In Scrum, you have roles like the Scrum Master, Product Owner, and the development team. Then there's this is a brief meeting where team members share updates. It's like a morning huddle to keep everyone on the same page. Are another key element. These are simple descriptions of a feature told from the perspective of the end user. It's all about understanding the user's needs. Finally, we have. After each sprint, the team reflects on what went well and what could be improved. It's like a post-game analysis to boost future performance, and there you have it. Agile project management in a nutshell. Ready to transform your projects? Let's make your workflow smoother, faster, and more efficient. Subscribe for more tips and tricks, and let's keep those projects agile.